Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hi everyone, so I sound disgusting, which 90% of the time in these vlogs I do anyway, because I always vlog like early and when I've just woke up. However, today is exciting. Yeah. Oh, stop yawning. It is the 7th of August and it's 20 past 8. I've been awake for about 30 minutes. But today I am going to my first gig in 18 months. And I am so excited. So, obviously, I am going to vlog because I used to vlog my gigs all the time. If you've seen any, you would know. So, I just thought I would bring it back because obviously it's what I enjoy doing. And I like to share the experience with anyone who cares. So, yeah. It's 20 past 8. I am about to go make me a cup of coffee and then start getting ready. I have done my fake tan and I've used a new fake tan and it's so nice. Like, it's not too much. I'll try and show you it better when I've got my outfit on. But there's not really much more to vlog or say at the moment. So I'm going to go and make a cup of coffee, do my makeup, get changed, just go over my hair, you know, get ready, and then I will vlog my outfit, and I'll explain a bit more later. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm ready, don't know if you can tell. Done my makeup, I've put some little like heart earrings in, I'm not sure how well you can see them, and I have just gone over my hair. I don't even know if this is focused, but just gonna go with it. I've got my jewellery on. I have got rings on the other hand as well, but obviously can't show you that. And this is my outfit. So also I have this necklace on. So I don't know if you recognise this necklace, if anyone who watches these has me on like Instagram. But my mum got me this necklace when it was her wedding. So I wear it most of the time now. I'm wearing this short crop top. I'm wearing these shorts. I am putting probably my red Converse on. And I've also got a red blazer, which is here, which I'm going to put on. Jess is on her way. It's now 25 past 9. We're leaving at 22, but Jess is getting here early because we want to take photos before we go. I probably won't vlog much anymore in the house. I'll probably vlog when Jess gets here. And then the rest of the vlog will be probably on the way to Manchester, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this vlog. So the train's at 10. Oh, Jess is here, let's go. Yeah, the train's at 10. We get there for 11:30 and then we have to be in at 1. So that's the plan. We're going to eat as well when we get there. But let's go get Jess. Yeah? No, Jess is here. I'm vlogging. It's just a bit chilly, isn't it? Oh, get it. So Jessie's here. Hello. And the cat's just minding her own business. Barks, G. Anyway,
Just take them off. I haven't worn them at the
yeah,
house.
we've got about 15 minutes. I only asked you to come early because we want photos taken. And I thought you probably would as well and whatnot. So.
I'll take my jumper back on.
Mother,
Yeah.
are you decent?
Yeah. Oh, I'm just going on yourself.
Hello.
Hello. Is that the necklace I got you for the wedding?
Yeah. I've just said that on the vlog as well.
And you've got fake tan on?
Yeah, but it's like natural, isn't it? I tried a new one. It's not Avon crap. It's not cheap shit. It's called... Oh.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm alright with the Avon one, so rub it in properly.
Yeah, I'll put 2 layers of the Avon one on. That's why I look orange. But I've only put 1 layer on and it looks really natural, doesn't it? Because I rubbed my spray tan off in the shower. It's not because I did it last night.
Oh,
Clever. Anyway, we're going to take photos and stuff, so bye.
What are we going out
The train's at 10, so probably 1:45. No, but we're going to eat when we get there. Have something before we go. Might even go to Wetherspoons.
Oh, yes, please.
If the train's not delayed.
I love spoons.
So I'm going to go for now because I need to just... My room is a mess because I'm on the stage of like
I haven't been arranged.
packing.
It.
No, I'm in the stage of packing for uni. That's why there's black bags everywhere. And I've told my mum there's no point me cleaning my room when once I've packed it'll be clean. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go because we're gonna take photos and stuff, but I'll vlog probably when we're on the train maybe. But yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so basically I haven't vlogged like anything because the trains were like packed.
It was busy and a screaming child.
Oh yeah, so basically for the whole like hour of our journey, near enough, there was a screaming child. But we are sat in Cafe Nero. What time is it? It's 11:45. So Jess is eating her Sainsbury's meal deal. I'm waiting for my panini. She's had her crisps. I'm waiting for my panini. I've got a brownie. I've got a Coke. She's got a Diet Coke. And we're going to eat, go to the toilet, and then we're going to get an Uber to the venue. So I'll probably vlog when we're there in the queue. Unless it's raining, then I don't want my camera to get...
It's still raining today, so...
It doesn't look bad though, does it really? But anyway, I'll show you my panini when it arrives. But I've had a tuna melt panini. The tuna melt paninis here are the best paninis. It's basically a sandwich. We're sat in like a really awkward position because basically we're just
Creasing my hair.
Okay, we'll stand up. So basically we did VIP and it's shit, but it's always shit. I don't know what we expected to be.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long while. But we are basically at the back now. There's not really much of a crowd, but the stage is over there. We didn't really... Ow!
Give me a second.
Waving at me?
Yeah. Oh, hello.
I was like, me?
Hello.
Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, we're stood at the back because there's not really many people.
It's expensive for a vodka and lemonade here, so...
Basically, I didn't vlog anything in VIP because it was a bit rushed and stuff, so I didn't even think about bringing my camera out. So I haven't really vlogged much.
We were with Mike for like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We were literally about 10 seconds.
But I never really vlog, so to be fair, it's nothing new. But I'll vlog as much of the concert as I can.
Which will be a lot because we're going to be dancing, so...
Yeah, we'll vlog a lot. I want Kim to come over, but she's a bit busy.
Aww.
Couple goals.
Don't tell Josh.
Anyway, yeah. We're going to get it.
Thank you all so much for coming out. To the parents as well. Big love to you all. Woo! Yes, go on, Mum. Yeah, have as much fun. Thank you for coming out. I know there's risks and stuff with COVID. I'm not going to be around the bush. Probably shouldn't say it, but there are. So big love to every single one of you for coming out. Just everyone stay safe, be happy, buy me a pint after, and have a great time. Alright? Have a great time. So who's ready to hear the talent we have on show?
Take my hand and hold on. Tell me everything that you need to say. 'Cause I know how it feels to be someone. Feels to be someone who loses the way. You're looking for answers in a place I know. You need a connection, but you can't get close. need you to hold on. Heaven is a place not too far away. And your great, great, great grandfather is I took a trip to the year 3000. This song has gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought us 7,000 and I saw Michael Jackson. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song has gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought us 7,000, 7,000. We don't go out in a time machine like one in a film I see. And I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but we live on the water. And your great, great, great granddaughter. Take a chance, find us at the bottom of your bottle. You'll find me when I'm taking the high road. Find me, you either wanna find me, or you don't. You don't know. Get to the point where a photo's just a photograph. When the urge to cry is now a reason to laugh. Why we wasting our breath on the edge, pretending that this ain't the end of another money in a black man.
Come over, and I can just show. Let me do it, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, I know a woman more wonderful than a Disney one. I lost my heart, I just wondered if you could give me one. I hate you back, you know, lately I've had some busy ones. I've been getting this money just on my busy ones.
When you stay up all night, love me to the daylight, ready for anti-vibe. Oh yeah, yeah. After juice, oh you got me tripping. Cut the coupe, woke up
Ready to Lamborghini in a cab car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real rock star? Listen to the chorus and holy, 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 holy. Feeling so holy, 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 holy.
dancing in the moonlight. Selfish love, feel somebody, break your heart. Looking like it ain't the and all my friends are telling you, I think how much I miss you, but I cannot feel sorry for that. I never know you the way that I do. And today I go through suburbs. I picture that I'm driving home to you. I know we weren't perfect, but I never felt this way with no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. You said forever.
With a situation, she didn't give me enough time. At first, I was very hesitant. Now I wish I said the 3 words that I meant. Cause she's wanna fall in love with another man. Now, I'm wasting time making love to myself at night. With all the things I should've done, didn't do it right. You told me I liked everything and never tried. That is some bullshit. You think I got trust issues, baby, cause you gave me a ride like it's okay. Came over and I told you.
Hi Kim.
Hey guys, can I have a hug now, please?
I haven't even had my time to shine. I think my hand was just over it. Hi guys. Go watch Black Widow. I think I'm touching the screen. Am I touching the screen? I'm sorry.
It's not even on your face, love. The lighting's not very good because of
I feel
the...
insecure.
I'm going to put this crew neck on.
Here's Olivia. Olivia Rodrigo live in action. These people. This quality is absolutely spectacular.
I know.
Say something. Update your vlog, Olivia.
We finished meeting great. So, I know, yeah. Why would you do watch all my videos for? I'm so boring.
Because they were really fun. That's where we took photos at the Jacks, in case you cared. Here's a little tour of the place. Here are some people. Hello guys.
Yes, feet? Okay, so that's what you're into? Oh.
They've already been in it, all three, Tom.
So Liv,
Yes.
favourite colour?
Pink.
Favourite band?
Vamps.
Favourite friend?
Jess.
I was gonna say if you don't say it. Favourite meal?
Ooh, pasta bake.
I love a good pasta bake.
Pasta bake.
Favourite song?
I can't tell you that. I never have a favourite song.
Favourite Ariana album?
Thank you next.
Okay, I thought you were gonna say Sweetener. I was about to.
No, I was debating between my everything. Thank you next.
Okay, taste. Do you like Taylor Swift?
Next question.
No.
I like that Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift era. But like, do you just not like her music or not like her?
Not my cup of tea.
Taylor Swift? How dare she say such thing?
She's giving me an
Bye,
interview on
Rach.
my own channel.
I'm giving her an interview and I said about Taylor Swift, she was like, no. Oh, fuck. Hi guys. Welcome back to my vlog. I am a true vlogger. This is how I do my curtain bangs. Can we just literally do this? And then I do this. And I do this. And yeah. I was in a t-shirt and a skirt, but I got changed because I've got to get a train home. And I want to be comfy. So yeah, shop at No Name. If you know who Jake Weber is, it's his clothing line, very cool, very fun. And yeah, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see me. Oops, I just switched the screen. I don't know if I was meant to do that. But yellow, it's okay. Right. Okay, I can kind of see myself. Hi, welcome to Manchester Academy. Here we learn stuff and we love learning. I'll say really photo shoot time. Dear. I hate that I can't see myself. I hope you guys are having a good day. I've done an outfit thing and I filmed some TikTok. Bye.
Hi guys. It's 10:15 and I'm back. Basically I didn't really vlog lots today because I think what it was as well was it was my first gig back and I kind of just wanted to enjoy everything, because normally I vlog with the artists and I vlog a lot more than what I did, but I just wanted to enjoy it all. But I hope you enjoyed what I vlogged anyway. Me and Jess got back about 9 o'clock, but I went to my friend's 21st for an hour. But I've had to come back early because I am absolutely shattered from today and I have to be up at 7 in the morning for work. So I'm going to love and leave, you know, so I can get ready for bed because I just want to get in bed. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. There'll definitely be more gig vlogs now, which is just great. I'm losing my voice because I've been screaming and singing a lot, but it was amazing and I hope you enjoyed the vlog, which I've already said. But yeah.